Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's Home. It is another year of Vlogmas videos, and this year we are kicking it off by doing a lot of cooking. So I'm starting off with loading my Crockpot, and I am making Crockpot Christmas candy. So it is 16 ounces of regular unsalted peanuts and 16 ounces of salted peanuts, 12 ounces of semi-chocolate chips, 12 ounces of milk chocolate chips, and two 10-ounce bags of peanut butter chips. And one of those big giant bricks of almond bark, you know, the vanilla almond bark. And as you can see here in the video, it's been cooking for 2 hours. Then you're going to give it a good stir. And then you're going to leave the lid off of it for 30 minutes. And then you're going to drop it out on wax paper. Now I am using my Pioneer Woman's little cookie scoop. It gets its use in this house. I absolutely love it. It makes the perfect size cookie and the perfect size candy, as you'll see here. You just scoop it out, put it on the wax paper. You come back in about an hour. They are hardened, and then you just want to put them in an airtight container. You can leave them in your fridge. And I just leave mine in my fridge so that I am sure that the chocolate is not going to melt or stick together or anything. But oh, this candy is delicious. For one thing, it makes a lot. As you can see here, it makes over 7.5 dozen little candy bites. And so if you are going to give away treats this year, or if you need to fill up tins, cans, you know how you give away things at Christmas time, or you need to take an abundance of something to a party, this is it. I have not met anyone that does not absolutely rave and love this candy. And look how easy it is to put it together. So simple. Now my arm's getting a good workout here with scooping it out, but other than that, it's pretty simplified. Now, while my candy is setting up on my table, I'm going ahead and I am getting peanut butter balls started, because I have to put the balls in the refrigerator so they'll set up. So it's 1 stick of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 pound of powdered sugar, 1.5 cups of peanut butter. So it's really super simple ingredients. It is delicious. You're going to see me here in the video. I am doubling my recipe because I'm wanting to make a lot. And this does make a lot. I love peanut butter balls. I think it's one of those things. My mom has a friend that used to make the peanut butter balls. It wasn't really something that I ever remember my mother ever making, but we had friends that we went to church with that made them, and they are one of my favorites. One of my favorite treats at Christmas time. And can you see all that powdered sugar? But anyways, we absolutely love these. Super easy. Again, you are going to see me put these peanut butter balls together with my cookie scoop. It makes each one of them the same size. They're easy to roll with your hands because because it's got the butter in it and the peanut butter, if it does seem a little hard in the bowl, when you put it in your hands, it will melt it and soften it a little bit, and it'll conform into a ball really, really easily. Now here I am putting together my peanut butter balls sitting at the kitchen table. I have to say it doesn't take very long to do this. And another thing that's really awesome about this is that you get these rolled, and I put them on wax paper on a cookie sheet. I pop them into the refrigerator, and if I don't get to it today to dip them in chocolate, which I will, but if I wouldn't have got to them, they're okay in the fridge, and I could coat them tomorrow. And I love this because you can pre-make it and then, dip them whenever you are ready. Now, I like to do these in white chocolate. I like to do them in dark chocolate, and I like milk chocolate. Today, I'm going to be using just a regular chocolate almond bark. And, oh my goodness, like I said, they're one of my favorites, and they are a huge crowd pleaser. So while you are watching me roll these peanut butter balls, are you all ready for Christmas? Have you done any Christmas shopping yet? Did you get any deals at Black Friday? I'm curious. I actually scored a few things. Nothing that I can mention on here because they are actual gifts for individuals, but I can tell you that I scored a very nice outfit for Ronnie from JCPenney's. They had like 50 to 70% off all of the men's clothing. And those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. But I am married to a really big man, and to buy his clothes isn't easy. And a lot of times I have a hard time finding things that, that I know that he would like. They had a lot of things in his size, but I know that he won't wear them. It's not something that is his style. He's more of a relaxed kind of casual kind of guy. And so I did luck out. I lucked out. I got him a really pretty flannel shirt and a new pair of pants. But I had a lot of fun looking at all the deals and getting out with the hustle and bustle of the rest of everyone else that's crazy enough to go out on Black Friday. But yeah, so I did. I scored some good things for Christmas gifts, but you guys leave me a comment down below. Let me know where you shopped and if you are done. Anybody out there done shopping yet? Now that my peanut butter balls are in the refrigerator, I'm going to get on to the next thing on my list today, and that is my banana bread. Now, if you want the recipe, it's 3 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 stick of softened butter, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 cups of self-rising flour, and I still always add just a little tiny teaspoon of vanilla. It just kind of adds to it a little bit. And today I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I'm going to actually put the batter into small loaf tins, and I'm going to be giving these away as presents to individuals that's in my peer support group that I'm the leader of at Cabell Association for the Blind that we belong to. And yeah, so I thought I would be nice and make everybody like little goodie bags to take home with them and they can enjoy. And so it'll include a banana bread, and the Christmas candy and some peanut butter balls. And I think they will enjoy that. So here I am putting the batter into the little mini loaf pans. I bought these mini loaf pans. I think I got them at Walmart, and I think you get like 5 or 6 of them, and they are very inexpensive. Very, very inexpensive. I just divided the dough out evenly between all of the banana nut breads, and it still took a good 35-40 minutes in a 350-degree oven, or until a toothpick inserted came out clean. My house was smelling really good when these got done, and I was tempted to break into one of them, but I didn't. I resisted, so I'm going to take them and give them away. But yes, they smelled really good. Here they are out of the oven, and they even rose perfectly in the pans. They look so pretty. If somebody gave me one of these, I definitely would eat it. But yeah, I think it came out perfectly. So now I'm doing my last task, and that is dipping all of these peanut butter balls into chocolate. I just melted the chocolate in the microwave. Now, I will tell you, I was completely out of Crisco, but if you want your chocolate to go a little bit further and also have a very nice shine on it, you can actually add a little bit of Crisco to your chocolate, and it will make a difference. It actually makes your chocolate a lot smoother. It makes it shinier, cleaner when it goes on the surface of whatever you're covering. So I highly suggest it. I just happened to be out of it today, or I would have done it. So when you use like the almond bark and you coat all these balls in that, they harden really, really quickly, because obviously I'm pulling these peanut butter balls out of the refrigerator so they're nice and cold. So they harden up, and then pretty much right after I get done coating all of these, you can put them in a container and put them in the refrigerator, and you're done. So my baking day is coming to an end. I hope you all enjoyed the first day of Vlogmas, cooking with me a little bit. I do get my banana breads in some pretty little wrappers. Tomorrow is the big day. I will be filming tomorrow as well for you all, so you guys can see what I get into. But I hope you all enjoyed. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and hey, Merry Christmas.